man. Hey, can we play a game with you guys? How many of you are not from Bombay? Oh, bhai, okay, let's fucking do this. Okay, this is a fun game. This is one of my favorite games to play with an audience. This is called City City. Okay? हाँ, because ये देश में दो ही तो city है, बाकी सब गाँव हैं. तो नहीं देखो सिटी असल होना मांगता है कि नहीं ऐसा मतलब ऐसा आग जले फेफड़े में से खून निकले वही तो शहर है कि नहीं हाँ Let's play. Okay. Where again? Can I see everyone's hands again? Not from Bombay. Not from Bombay. Not where from? Where from?
Delhi.
Oh God, no. Thank God you're here. है कि नहीं? At least you know. Not really. Nothing is better here. I don't mind Delhi. Where are you from?
Surat.
So, oh really? Surat is cute. Hey, listen, Surat. You know, है कि नहीं? हाँ. So. Surat is the only city where people in the middle of the show have been like, Gali to de! It's very weird. I love it. मैं उनको दे भी देता है. You know, I used to live in Baroda and for years I used to take the Subeka Shatabdi and every now and then there would be gorgeous women in the dabba. Okay? And you'd be like, why? Are you in a train ka dibba? You know what I mean? The way the society is structured, you know what I mean? You should not be in a train ka dibba. The world is unfair to people, but you know, like it's this is the one privilege you get. You should not be in a dabba. And then you realize that they're all models getting off in Surat.
Why?
Because of garment people and diamond people who are doing photo shoots. You should know this being from Surat, the city of flyovers and fountains. They have a lot of fountains, so they build flyovers because they're like, ये कौन सा हैगा बैंचोद? मैं ऊपर से जा रहा है. Who else? Where else?
Baroda.
Oh, I lived in Baroda for 2 years. Did you know that? I used to live in Baroda. It is a cute, it is very nice. Baroda, I would live in Baroda if they had flights going out of Baroda. I'm serious. It's so peaceful. उधर कुछ नहीं हो रहा है. उधर एक fine arts university है, and you know it's a great fine arts faculty. It's a very good fine arts faculty. I know this because every year VHP या तो फिर कोई तो आके painting जला के जाता है. Like that's when you look क्या art हो रहा है, dude. Very nice place. Very good egg culture in Baroda. I don't know if you know. Surat and Baroda have really good egg culture because Gujaratis don't eat other meat. So egg is like a nice midway through it. And you know, Surat still has names that actually make sense. Like, you know, I mean, Lasuni or what, Kachu Paku or whatever the fuck. But in Baroda, they'll have like Japani fry. You know, and you're like, Japanese khana Baroda nahi hai. Kuch nahi hai Japani fry. Japani fry mein bas cheese hai. Pata nahi kyun. Oh man, what is your favorite egg place? Raju, Maji or Yadgar?
Yadgar.
That's my boy. That's a good decision. Not that any of these people give a fuck. But if you go, you should go to Yadgar. If you are, trust me on this. If you are ever in Baroda, go to Yadgar. I don't, just go. Just फिर line में खड़े रहो और मेरे लिए एक parcel लेके आओ. Where else? What other cities do we have? You can just scream them out. Huh? Where? Madurai. Really? Oh wow, that is in south. Tamil Nadu, right? Am I? Yes. Okay, that's good enough. Yeah. You know, you can tell a lot of. Never mind. I don't want to acknowledge you with a response. My only problem with Tamil Nadu is that people in Tamil Nadu call me North Indian. मैं बॉम्बे का है, मैं नॉर्थ नहीं है. We are middle at best, okay? है कि नहीं? West Indian. We'll go with West Indian. हाँ, middle is nice. Us and Gujarati is Kolkata, Middle Indian. दोनों food obsessed, useless kind of. Where else? Any other cities? Where else?
Kolkata.
Oh really? Oh, such a. क्या बोलने का ढूंढ करता है. मैं जितना भी बोलूँ मेरे को कम लगता है, पता है. Oh man, my favorite thing though, I don't usually acknowledge this, but I really like to go to Kolkata to eat. That's usually my game plan. Like I land and I go to this place called Bohemian for lunch, and then I go at night after the show. I go to this place called Balwant Singh to have Doodh Cola. I don't know if you've had Doodh Cola, but it is exactly what the name is. And it's like very weird to explain to people what Doodh Cola is, but it's literally दूध और कोला और बस और जादू पता नहीं और लथार्जी पता नहीं क्या डाल रहे तीसरा ingredient पर गांड फाड़ है. बहुत सही चीज है. And if I had to explain it to you, it's basically have you ever had a Coke float? Yeah. So imagine a photo negative of a Coke float. Love Kolkata, dude. Still have trams. That blows my mind. They still have trams. That is the most amazing thing. I feel like trams are very Bengali that way. You know what I mean? Because trams, like Bengalis, you know, very inefficient, constantly surrounded by more efficient things in the world. But completely oblivious कि कुछ efficiency नाम का चीज भी है. वो timeless zone में अटकेला है. You know the technology it takes to beat a tram? Just to let you know. Oh God! What other cities? What other cities? Huh? Oh, that is so clean. That's the only resounding feature of the city is that it's clean. But that's not bad. Clean is not bad for a country like India. है कि नहीं? सराफा एंड 36-32 कितनी दुकान है? 56 है. अब अपेरेंटली 56 है. आई थिंक ज्यादा है. आई डोंट थिंक ये लोगों को गिनना आता है. मैं गिना. ओके मैं 50 पे बोला नहीं 50 से तो ज्यादा है. 56 से ज्यादा रहेगा. आई लव इट बिकॉज दे हैव दिस जायंट जलेबी इन इंदौर एंड आई वाज लाइक यू नो when I was in school now we were very dumb kids you know and we used to be like we used to genuinely be very dumb. ऐसा अगर कोई आंटी बहुत मोटी रही तो आंटा ऐसा डम बच्चे लोग यू नो. और बचपन में ऐसा रियलाइज बड़ों के रहे ये तो थोड़ा गलत है ऐसा नहीं बोलना चाहिए. पर फिर मैं गया इंदौर और मैं ऐसा 1.5 किलो का जलेबी देखा. ओके एंड लाइक इसको क्या बोलते हैं? जलेबा. एनी अदर सिटीज लेफ्ट? Hyderabad is very nice. I am personally a huge fan. Most people don't realize this, but Hyderabad has the absolute best biryani in the country. It is spicy. Don't fucking clap. Shut the fuck up. No, shut the. No, you don't get to clap. No. Hyderabadi लोग पे भरोसा नहीं है मेरा. ठीक है? तुम लोग तो Deccan Chargers सपोर्ट करते थे. Oh man, but genuinely best because it's spicy and it's on point. Like you know what I mean? It's really on point as a biryani. And my favorite place to eat biryani in Hyderabad used to be this place called Shah Goose. See, that's the thing. Because I read it on Zomato and fell in love and I thought it was Shag House. फिर पता चला कि ये जो आप बोला वो शब्द है कि नहीं? जो मैं आपको नहीं बोलूंगा कभी लाइफ में. तो मैं उधर गया, मैं बिरयानी खाया. मैं ऐसा कम ही खाता है नॉनवेज लाइफ में. उस दिन खाया मैं दबोच के. 2 दिन बाद मेरा हैदराबादी दोस्त मेरे को एक आर्टिकल भेजता है पेपर में जिसमें लिखा है कि शाग हाउस विशेष है शकुंतला में कुत्ते का मीट यूज हो रहा है. ओके एंड आई वाज लाइक ब्रो और कोई भेजता तो आई कुड अंडरस्टैंड. तू ही लेके गया. तू क्यों भेज रहा है? तू तो बस दुखी करना चाहता है. He's like, bro मजा आया. I'm like, नहीं कैसे मजा आया? मेरे को कुत्ता नहीं खाना था. तेरा गलती है. ऐसा मेरा गलती कैसे है? तुझे पता था? ऑब्वियसली पता था. ऐसा तो ब्रो तू चिकन बिरयानी खाया और लाल मांस था तेरे को लगा नहीं? ऐसा नहीं. मेरे को फूड कलरिंग का आदत है. तू कभी चिकन लॉलीपॉप खाया लगेगा चिकन लाल ही होता है. ये बहुत गलत है. डॉग इज मैन्स बेस्ट फ्रेंड. हाउ डेयर यू? बोलता है ब्रो दैट इज ट्रू बट आई एम नॉट डॉग्स बेस्ट फ्रेंड. व्हाट अदर सिटी? Oh really? Man, does it feel ever weird that the only thing your city is known for? हाँ? हाँ पर अभी भी और कुछ किया नहीं है याद करने लायक. Listen, I don't. It's at least it's not Jabalpur, right? Like, because Jabalpur isn't even remembered for a tragedy. What about y'all? Where are y'all from? Mumbai? Where in Mumbai?
Goregaon.
Oh, you grew up in Goregaon?
Bad right.
Oh, Bandra East, and then moved to Goregaon. I don't know if that's an upgrade or a downgrade. Is it Goregaon West or East? East. Oh fuck, that's even tougher now, yaar. I don't know what the hell is going on. That's great, dude. Goregaon is, yeah, okay, why not? I've avoided it. You know? Like my family moved into Bombay and they moved to Borivali, as all Gujaratis do. और फिर अपग्रेड करके ऐसा धीरे धीरे साउथ आते गए हम लोग और अब हम लोग ग्रांट रोड में रहते हैं. Which I don't know. Again, I don't know whether that's an upgrade or a downgrade because you know, not Borivali but Grant Road. Like it's for those of you who don't know, you know, I mean, I don't know what to tell you. I would rather not tell you anything at all. What about they all? Anyone of y'all? Yeah. Where are you from?
Nagpur.
Nagpur, both of you Nagpur? That's
Four of us.
Oh, four of Oh, dude, that's amazing, dude. I love Nagpur. It's my favorite tier 2 city to perform in. Why is that funny? That's just fact, guys. It's really nice. They have a metro that doesn't work yet. But it's orange color, so I guess, you know. और वो लोग भी The best part is नागपुर का गवर्नमेंट लोग को चुतिया बना रहा बोल रहा है ये ऑरेंज का कलर ऑरेंज होता है ना इसलिए हम लाइक हाँ वेरी नाइस ओके What about y'all? Oh really? That's nice. See how सबका गांड फट गया for no reason. तू कश्मीर भी नहीं बोला फिर भी गांड फट गया बोल. कैसा लग रहा है इंडिया में आके? I meant not the two of y'all. I meant as a state. Where about it?
Rajasthan.
Huh?
Rajasthan.
Oh, okay. Oh, that's tough. Where in Rajasthan?
Bhilwara.
Huh?
Bhilwara.
Oh, okay. मतलब है 100% है जगह तो है मैं मानने को तैयार हूँ जगह तो एग्जिस्ट करता है भीलवाड़ा साउंड्स लाइक अ प्लेस दैट कुड एग्जिस्ट है कि नहीं इट्स नॉट लाइक यू नो अपने जिस देश में जंतर मंतर जगह है तो मतलब भीलवाड़ा तो होना ही चाहिए भीलवाड़ा इज नॉट आफ्टरवर्ड्स इट्स बिफोर Dude, अपने देश का कभी रैंडमली मैप जूम करके देखो ऐसे नाम दिखेंगे ना बोबड़ेवाड़ी लाइक क्या हो रहा है क्यों हो रहा है बोबड़े का वाड़ी It's so where are you from? Huh? Nasik. Oh man, dude, you know I don't know much about Nasik, but I know that for some reason, whenever someone in my family dies, वो लोग का अस्थि उधर ही डालने का रहता है. तुम लोग क्या कर रहे हो उधर अस्थि का? Because all I know about Nasik, इसकी उधर सूला है. अभी क्या तुम मेरी दादी माँ का वाइन बना के दोगे? ये क्या है इधर? You don't have to answer that. Ash नहीं अस्थि मैडम Ash मतलब राख होता है अस्थि में वो बोन पीस मांगता है बिरयानी वाला सीन okay चलो this was a good round of city I go to shitty cities is my point like I go to really bad places I don't go to places that I want to go to often I go to places where the audience is which is the way it should be because you know you don't want me to come where vacation is you know what I mean I am a break from regular life you know what I mean मैं ऐसा लंचूत इधर करेगा तुम खुश है तुम बेचारा ऐसा स्नॉर्कलिंग कर रहा हूँ मैं अकेले ऐसा it's not fair I go to really bad places that I don't enjoy you know I go to places like Ahmedabad and who the fuck wants to go to Ahmedabad you know how bad Ahmedabad is as a city one man became prime minister to get out of Ahmedabad okay